Life at the pond. Turtles. Eastern painted turtles have colorful designs on the edges of their shells and bodies. Although they are shy, they like to bask in the sun. At night, they burrow in the mud underwater. Young turtles eat beetles and newly hatched insects called larvae. Adult turtles eat mostly plants and also some insects and snails. An eastern painted turtle can grow to be from 4 inches to 10 inches long. Bullfrogs. In summer, the bellows of bullfrogs can be heard booming across ponds. Bullfrogs choose special spots near the shore and will fight one another to protect their territories. Rabbits. Cottontails line their nests with fur and grass to make them soft for their babies. They eat clover, seeds, grass, twigs, and fruits. Cottontails also like to eat vegetables from summer gardens. To avoid their enemies, cottontails jump and run fast zigzags. They are also very good swimmers. Squirrels. Small, chatty red squirrels eat mainly pine cone seeds, but also nuts, bird eggs, buds, and fungi. They store lots of food for the winter. Their bushy tails help them keep their balance as they move quickly through the tree branches. Deer. White-tailed deer are shy animals that make their homes in the woods. Only the male, called the buck, has antlers. The female, called the doe, gives birth to 1, 2, or sometimes 3 babies, called fawns. A fawn's spotted coat helps it to hide in the leafy shadows beneath the trees. Ducks. Mallards are the most common ducks in the world. Male ducks are called drakes and females are called hens. They build their nests in tall grass near water. Fuzzy yellow and brown ducklings hatch from their eggs. Pollywogs. Another name for pollywogs is tadpoles. Tadpoles are young frogs before they grow their legs. They have long, flat tails to help them swim. Bullfrog tadpoles take 2 or 3 years to grow into adult frogs. Butterflies. The great spangled fritillary, a large butterfly, lays eggs near violet plants. Spiky black and orange caterpillars hatch in late fall and spend the winter under dead leaves. In the spring, these caterpillars feed on the new violet leaves before spinning chrysalises. Soon new butterflies will emerge from the chrysalises. Chickadees. A small bird with a big voice. The black-capped chickadee flies in a bobbing pattern. Chickadees eat caterpillars, moth eggs, beetles, and pine cone seeds. In winter, chickadees will eat sunflower seeds from a bird feeder. Mosquitoes. These buzzing insects lay their eggs in or around still water. They get their food from flower nectar. Only the female mosquitoes bite because they use blood for food when they are developing their eggs.